Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you fix the Windows brightness issue. Suppose you are not able to control the brightness on your system, or if you are able to control the brightness then it is not working properly, like your brightness is full but you are getting to show a dull screen, and this kind of controls are not working as they are working in my case. So what you need to do is just right click onto your start button and go to the device manager. Once it opens, just expand it, go to the monitors, make sure whichever monitor you have selected, right click and make sure the option that you're getting, the second option that you're getting is a disabled device. So this means that your device is enabled, that's why you're getting an option to disable it. So make sure it is showing as disabled device, and if it is showing enabled device in your case, then click on enable device and enable your monitor. Okay, and if it is showing disabled device as in my case, just click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers are already installed, then it's well and good. Otherwise, if it installs some of the drivers, then you need to wait for those drivers to install and then restart your system. Once that's done, then again just go to display adapters. If your problem is still not fixed, right click, go to update driver and search automatically for drivers. If it is already installed, then well and good. Otherwise, just install, just wait for the drivers to install and restart your system. If it still not fixes the issue, then go to browse my computer for drivers. Whatever option, whatever location it selects, just click on browse, or you can just go to let me pick from a list of drivers. Just select all these drivers one by one and configure them, install them, and see which driver is giving you the best result. Whichever driver is giving you the best result, just go with that driver and that should fix your issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.